The glorified version of the Earth that the Universal theme song portrays has a large contrast to these images of the world at night.
The brighter the lights, the bigger the city, the more people.
Overcrowding in places like these leads to many detrimental environmental issues that are very prevalent in the United States.
But it's the animals that are most affected by the overcrowding.
In 2009, we filled United States landfills with the trash equivalent to the weight of 88 million cars.
This trash may be ugly to look at, but we have to remember who it's really affecting. Plastic items become intestinal blockages, baited fishing lines entangle limbs, hindering movement and causing dismemberment, and aluminum cans with leftover soda or beer turn into razor-sharp traps.
So doing your part to dispose of trash properly will make a big difference.
Overcrowding has also resulted in the tearing down of natural environments that many animals use for food and shelter.
Forests cover 31% of our planet. They produce oxygen as well as intake carbon dioxide that many organisms cannot use. Taking a more international look, Bornean orangutans in Indonesia use the trees as their habitat and is also where they find all of their food.
The majority of their diet consists of fruit from the same trees that they live in, with the rest comprising of leaves, shoots, insects, and tree bark.
The Bornean orangutan is a perfect example of a species that is very dependent on their environment, and that fact is very prevalent when humans start to tear down Indonesia's forests. The main reason why all of these trees are getting knocked down is the conversion of these forests into fields for growing crops.
This ties back into overcrowding because Indonesia is the fourth most populated country in the world.
For a look at an animal in the United States, the Florida manatee has been affected by coastal development, which is a type of overcrowding. Coastal development includes an array of human activities, including beachfront construction of homes, hotels, restaurants, and roads, often for tourism.
Residential and commercial development along rivers and waterways has affected the manatee population. Habitat destruction has damaged the seagrass communities on which manatees depend.
In addition, the chemical pollution has impaired the immune systems of marine animals, and the manatees may have become more vulnerable to infection as a result.
The people that are building on the coast of Florida, where these manatees are living, are producing a great amount of trash. This trash contaminates the water that they are living in.
Another species that is affected by overcrowding lives in our own backyard. Due to the increasing population of the communities around the bog turtle's habitat, their homes are being destroyed, therefore slowly killing off their species. Clearly, overcrowding results in the death or injury of many types of animals. If we do not set an example here in the United States by doing something to help animals like the Florida manatee, then the manatees as well as many other species run the risk of becoming extinct.
Habitat destruction has damaged the Eusturian seagrass